The Johnsons lived here almost 42 years. When Carrie was little, she used to love to fall asleep at the fireplace. And their youngest son, John, received his first kiss New Year's Eve, 1972, in the kitchen. And Paul and Harriet celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary just last year. It was a hard decision for them to move on. This isn't a house, this is a home, and that's how we treated it. This is what real estate should be. The Stones had only lived here 3 years when Jim was transferred. Their daughter was born here. They had season tickets to the Rep. They had just found a great orthodontist for Adam, and they left behind some of the best friends they had ever made. Moving is never easy, whether it's every 3 years or every 30 years. You need someone you can trust. This is how Katie Falk Partners is different. We see our business as working with people, not houses. This is what real estate should be.